The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are having a good day. Well, it's been an interesting 24 hours, as it usually is, but we still keep pottering away along that range. Look, you'll note yesterday I did have a bit of a chat about the fact that I thought if we broke the highs of yesterday's candle, we'd probably move higher. Well, as it turns out, we did break the highs and then we broke the lows. So I was wrong. This happens, guys. It wasn't a trading opportunity. It was more of an observation for me. I'll tell you what I did do, though. I'm not going to hide anything behind anywhere. I did enter long back into Bitcoin on the break of the high of that candle. I was the bearishness, although not gone, not at all. That downtrend had sort of diminished, and I didn't want to be sort of exiting on that spike. I wanted to see how things played out, and the little bearish break of that, the bullish break of that daily candle, that was enough for me to basically move back into Bitcoin. No stops or anything. It's not a trade. It's just getting back into the market. So as it stands right now, I don't have my normal large amount of risk on Bitcoin from my portfolio standpoint because I am long still on Binance for half of that position, still got out right at that resistance point, and it's pulled back for quite a few percent since then, actually, looking to hopefully get another opportunity to enter, still holding the other stake, because the other 50%, because it's simply put, I don't have a place to move my stop loss to just yet. And yesterday I also got long on Theta against Bitcoin, or Theta. And it's performing really, really well right now. I mean, it's up, 6.5%. Super. So, across the top 10 right now, as I say, Bitcoin hasn't really done a great deal. It still remains within that range. And look, majority of the market is sort of in the same sort of position. Look, Ethereum's back pulling in. It's had a bearish day again, down 1.43%. EOS is down 4.1% after having a stellar run recently. Now, it's not of any surprise to me whatsoever. And the reason being is that we ran straight up into that $3 mark. I've been talking about $3 on EOS like I have been at $2.30. It's very, very clear. It's very, very obvious. This puppy's in a range. Look, the daily's in an uptrend within that range, but as we approached that resistance, it became more and more highly likely that we would have a pullback from that point. And ladies and gentlemen, we have seen exactly that. Good old technical analysis leading the way. Cardano is also sitting there. Again, we're still in that same boring little sideways range, really difficult trading conditions. As a matter of fact, I just won't trade in these conditions. Not until we get good trends. I'll stick with my against Bitcoin type trades and do it that way. Now, if we have a look here, right now at Stellar Lumens, it continues to consolidate for the day. It's down 2.14%, but it's still within that little consolidating range if you have a look at the 4-hour chart. IOTA down 2.27%. Coming off again, another level of resistance at 29 cents. And again, still looking pretty mishmashy right now. A bit of bearish sentiment creeping back into the markets, but we all know that that can change quite quickly. Ripple still sideways, very ugly, and we've got Litecoin pulling back. Now, what I like about Litecoin is it's pulling back towards that $40 mark, ladies and gentlemen. Look, it's got plenty of room to pull back a bit deeper as well, but we do have against the dollar on Litecoin a really nice daily trend. There's no resistance ahead of it either, really. I mean, it's a really, really nice looking market as I speak to you. Nice fanning moving averages. Just a super nice looking chart, guys. It really does look good. Look, there's a bit of resistance where we had run into and when we pulled back to for about $48.20, and that's probably why we're seeing a bit of a pullback after that fairly blistering run straight up, and I just really like that chart. It's also worthwhile mentioning Litecoin against Bitcoin. It too has also looked really, really nice lately. Bitcoin Cash just sideways grinding, pretty ugly chart if I'm honest with you. Monero, well, it had an up day, the only one in the top 10 that is up. It's up 0.3%, so nothing to really write home about there, but it is up. And you know what? It's not looking all that bad, but not all that great on those midterm timeframes. So guys, it really is a time to be buckling down, getting your education in, knowing what it is you're doing. Let me tell you something. Happy Valentine's Day to all of y'all. Now, here's the thing. Listen very carefully right now. This is very important. If you have not subscribed to our video newsletter, you need to do it now, because in a matter of hours, there's going to be an email that goes out, okay, that goes out to you, and if you're not on that list, you will not get it. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's only for people within that list, but it is for today only what we're doing. So get over to tradercobb.com, put your email into one of the fields there, and get it done. You have a good day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.